Hey beauties, this is Virtuous Styles. It's been a while. Welcome back. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, and share my video. So today we're going to talk about moisture, and moisture for your hair, of course. Last couple of my videos, my hair was not locked. So I've been 2 years locked now, and I've been trying to figure out different ways to maintain that moisture, figure out different ways for growth to happen, and to just keep it looking nice and shiny. A lot of our beautiful locticians say we need water. Of course, we need to spray some water on our hair on a daily basis, and that's also needed. But with oil, now we can't really apply a lot of grease and oil to our hair because now it causes a lot of buildup. So now we want to incorporate an oil that not only moisturizes your hair, but it contains anti-inflammatory factors. It also contains antibacterial factors, fungal factors in it too, especially with our hair. We don't really wash our hair often as we should. So now dandruff occurs, flaky scalp occurs, and it all gets stuck within our locks. So now not only do we have to apply vinegar rinse when we do wash our hair, which I did definitely do yesterday, it was a product by the Brat, and she had a vinegar rinse. It's a pre and post before you shampoo your hair and during while you have the braids in, you have your locks in. So you started using that yesterday, and it definitely thoroughly washed my hair, and I love the product. I used it for the first time yesterday. So now today we're going to talk about my oil that I just made, and I utilize it for my hair and my kids' hair too. Not only to promote hair growth, but to, when our hair gets so dry, especially during the winter season, it gets so flaky, we want to calm that factor. So now when we think about different oils, we think about different products that we need to apply to our hair. We have to think about the ingredients, right? What causes allergic reactions? Does the ingredients, while they're mixed together, do they work well together for you? So the three important ingredients that I do have in my little product here, my little oil here, I do have fenugreek, coconut oil, rosemary, and sage. Oh, most importantly, cloves. Cloves, definitely. It's an anti-inflammatory agent, so it calms the itchiness, it calms the inflammation in the scalp, and it reduces a lot of flakes and dandruff. So I apply that within this mixture. So the reason why it solidifies, it's hard, is because I actually used the extra virgin coconut oil. So with that, let me zoom it in for you so you guys can see it. So with that, let me zoom it in so you guys can see it. A little bit closer. Okay. My tech man behind in the background is doing a lot of tech work, but it's telling me to zoom in. So I use that. You can have it two ways. You can have it like a nice little grease texture, where you just put it in your hand and you just put it in your locks like this, right? Let me demonstrate as I'm telling you, right? So I didn't apply any leave-in yesterday. I just washed it and then I left it like that. So this is what I do. So you have to understand that with fenugreek, it has a little smell. It's not bad, but it's not like it's good either. So I apply like lavender for the scent, rosemary for the scent, so it can smell good. So you do this when it's at its hardest, the oil. I use this like this, just so it can apply to my ends too, and the whole shaft. And then when I want that extra within my scalp, I would put it in boiling hot water, just like this. Put it in there, not while it's boiling, after it's boiled, because this is a plastic bottle. So you just put it in the thing after it's finished, after it's boiled, and then just let it nicely liquefy. Like my husband says, I was trying to figure out the word, but I was saying liquidated. But anyways, liquefy. So that's what I use it for. So you can have it both ways. You want that little oil, you want that little nozzle, burn that scalp and massage. You just, that is very important, to massage your scalp, to get that blood flowing, to promote that blood flowing, to promote the hair growth, you know. And you need that because a lot of people neglect that. Even a simple massage can go a long way, so please do not forget that. My nails are all in the camera, it's not even looking good, I'm sorry. So while you are caring for your roots, make sure you care for the whole shaft as well. So if you are interested, guys, I have also a hair mist that I'll be presenting in my next video to see how it works, because not everybody has time to oil your scalp. All you just want to do is like, and you're done, right? So now I'll be also applying that too. So I usually use this on myself first and my kids' hair first, just so we could see how it is. And then now I am promoting it, and I am trying to see if anybody else would like to join our hair growth moisturized hair journey. Okay, this is 2 years growth. So please, guys, if you like this video, please comment. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram at virtuousstyles_, and it's all one word. You can follow me there. If you would like to book an appointment too, book it there too. There's a book now. I also do hair. But if you would just like to purchase the product, you can hit me up there as well too. All right, I'll see you guys later on my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye, beauties.